Hey guys, welcome to lesson 1.2, and in this lesson we are going to install Flutter and Xcode. So go to Google and search for Flutter. And right now go to install the second link. Select macOS because we are on a Mac. Do iOS. We're going to come back for Android later. Select iOS. And so the first step is to copy this line that you will see. Copy this line by clicking on this icon and open your terminal. So your terminal is mostly here. Open it. Command V to paste it and install. Add password and done. Next step is we are going to install the Flutter SDK using VS Code. Now, we are not going to use VS Code throughout our project. We are going to mostly use Cursor, but Cursor is basically based on VS Code. So, if you use VS Code, all of the extensions, all of the settings will be imported to Cursor. And also, VS Code is a classic software. Everyone else uses it, so it's good for you to learn. So right now, we are going to use VS Code to install Flutter. So let's open it. VS Code. And I'm just going to follow these instructions. You can follow them yourself here, but I'm just going to move this to the side. And now let's go to extensions here and search for Flutter. Select the first one and install. Trust Publisher and wait for it to finish. Now that this is installed, let's go back to our Explorer, close it, and press Command Shift P. Now, the command panel opens and type Flutter New Project. Now, this is going to say, could not find a Flutter SDK. Please download, or if already download, click Locate SDK. We have not downloaded, so let's download SDK. Now, this is your home directory. In my case, we need to save it in home. This is our desktop document. We need to create a new directory. Let's create a new directory and call it development. That is pretty standard. And click clone Flutter. Now, this is going to take some time, so we wait. So we are back, and now it asks us, do you want to add the Flutter SDK to path? Click Open Instructions. Open. Now, this has opened a new page with new instructions. So let's do it. So in order to create our path, first we need to create zshnv file. So how do we create that? Go to your terminal. This tilde means that we are in the home directory. So type Dutch tilde slash dot zshenv and enter. Now go back to your Finder, go to your home, and remember guys, you can go to View and select Show Path Bar, and it will show this path bar down here. Now by default, you're not going to see these hidden files. It's going to look something like this, right? But if you go to your home directory, like I am, and press Command Shift dot. You will see all these hidden files. So, what are you supposed to do? Click on this file zshnv that you just created and open with text edit. That's great. Now, close this. Copy this line. Go to your zshnv file and paste it. Now, save this file and boom. Let's check your Flutter by typing Flutter dash dash version. See, right now I installed Flutter 3.32. So now you have Flutter. Next, you need Xcode. And you might be thinking, why do I need Xcode? Well, Xcode is needed for your app to run in the iPhone simulator. How do we do that? First of all, let's minimize this and let's minimize this as well. So let's open the App Store. We're right here and search for Xcode. And download it by clicking on this cloud icon. This is going to take a while, so we have to wait. Okay, so Xcode has finished downloading, so let's open it now. Continue. Great. Okay, now let's close it and let's go back to our instructions. Copy this, go to the terminal, paste it, enter your password, and next is sign the Xcode license agreement. Copy this again, go back to the terminal, paste it, enter. By typing agree, type agree, and boom. Now we need to create our virtual device, our iOS simulator. So copy this one, go back to the terminal, paste it, and select enter. Now all platforms available are downloaded. This might take some time for you. I already had them downloaded. So next is copy this command, open a simulator, come right here, Command V, and enter. And voila, now you have an iPhone simulator running right now. So wait for it for a little while to finish booting up, and there you have it. Now you have an iPhone 16 Plus simulator running. So close it, go back to instructions. Now we need to install Cocoa Pods. Copy this one, go back to the terminal, paste, boom, install. It's pretty linear, guys. Anyone can do it. Okay, so some install has been done. For you guys, it might be more than one gem. For me, it was just one. Next. So next we need to add this line to our ZSH file. Fortunately, you already know where it is. Open the Finder, go to Home, right here. Click enter, paste, save it, and now we have added our path to ZSHNV file. Now, let's quickly confirm that we have everything installed. So, what I want you to do is clear. That will clean the terminal and run Flutter Doctor. Now, Flutter Doctor is a command that basically just checks everything that you have installed and reports it back to you so you know what has been installed, what has been left. And once you run Flutter Doctor after doing all these things, what I want you to have is Flutter should be green, Xcode should be green, Chrome, VS Code, everything should be green except Android. That is the only thing we are going to install in our next lesson, and we are going to continue after that. And we are also going to copy our settings to cursor. So, see you guys later. Goodbye.